In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix SoFi transfer not working. So let's get straight into the video. So there are 10 ways you can simply go ahead and solve this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can stop transfers. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and switch to Wi-Fi or try turning your mobile data on and off. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and verify your recipient's information. So double check the recipient's name, account number, routing number, and bank name. Even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail, by the way. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have enough balance on your account for the transfer. Don't forget to check for any pending transactions or hold. Also, review transfer limits and restrictions. So SoFi has a daily and per transfer limit that may affect your transaction. You can check this inside a profile setting transfer limits to check your limits. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for transfer times and holidays. ACH transfers may up to 1 to 3. ACH transfers may take up to 1 to 3 business days, and transfers won't process on weekends or bank holidays. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the SoFi app installed and clear cache if you haven't already. The final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for server issues. If there are any, you can simply check it on Twitter at SoFi support on Twitter for updates, or you could also try restarting your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.